In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Elementor on your website. So as you can see, right now I have this WordPress website and I don't have Elementor, but I like Elementor a lot and it's a great tool to use for your WordPress website and I would recommend it to absolutely everyone. So basically what you have to do, you have to go to your dashboard and then go to plugins and you want to add a new plugin because you want to install Elementor. Then go to search plugins and type in Elementor like this. And there we go. Elementor website builder. It's absolutely the best one in my opinion. Hit install now. There we go. It's going to install right now. And yeah, there it is. Hit activate. And that's basically everything you have to do. So now when I go back to my website, you can see that it has changed because I installed the Elementor plugin. You can go to settings and basically post style it however you want, but that's all personal preference. This is how you can install it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.